guys, it's me Narelle here, and welcome back to a new video. This is going to be a very fun and exciting video because it is a package unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a very long time, and I'm like, oof, because I'm expecting something from Dominica, and which may take me out of YouTube. So, if you don't see me anymore after this, blame Dominica. But, this is a package that I got from my friendo, Artsy Monarch, here on YouTube and Instagram. I will link both of her links down below. I did cover up a lot of, well, technically all of her info, because A, no addresses need to be shown, and two, it had a real name, so I don't know if she wanted to show it. So I covered all of that up, but of course you guys know my name. It's not a secret, but I did cover up my address because, yes, we don't need no creepy people at my door at 3 in the morning. All right, so I'm excited. I'm super excited, and I'm going to go ahead and get it open. And look at the back. It says Merry Christmas. And you know what? It's the day after Christmas, so it technically made it here on time. But, ooh, it's so cute. It's so cute. And did you use holographic tape? If it is holographic, yeah, I'm going to see if I can save it, because I'm having this weird obsession with holographic things, and I don't think it's healthy for me. But, we're going to be unhealthy together. And luckily, I do have my X-Acto knife. I literally lose this thing for months, and then I find it for another couple of days, and I lose it again. So I'm happy that I found it again. I think it dropped in some water. We're going to go ahead and get it open. And she did say she didn't put a note in it. Well, she forgot. So I was warned of that. So I can just go straight into the goodies. Ugh. And I actually kind of regret my X-Acto knife falling into my paint water, because oof. But anyways, it's wrapped so cutely. Oh my gosh, it's like cutely wrapped. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, this one states, gifts for you. Hope you like them. And then here's one that says, he's your baby, but he's my baby too. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to open up the gifts last. And I'm going to open up our shared child first. And this freaking tissue paper is like very cute. Very, very cute. Oof, I might actually save it too. But I have lots of holographic tape to actually keep. I'm trying to take extra care of this paper because, again, I might keep it. I really might keep this. Ah! Yep. People just love to kill me nowadays. And my friends are especially good at it. Oh. I saw this on Instagram and now I'm just like, oh. It's Naru. Oh, my love. My love. I'm actually quite mad because the lighting sucks in my room right now, and it's not giving him all his glory that he deserves. Oh, my word. This is so stinking cute. This is so cute. I love it. A lot of you guys have been getting on me for not drawing him, and when I did, a lot of you guys were like, Narelle, stop. It's okay. But, this is so cute. This is, like, so adorable. I'm going to put this back on the paper so it won't get dirty, because, just to take extra safety precautions. So now I'm going to open up the gift suit. Oh my goodness. I'm going to try to unwrap this as carefully as I can, and I'm ripping the paper, so I'm not doing a good job. Ooh, at wrapping things. All right. I think I got one more spin to do. All right. Okay. Let's see. Oh, goodness. I'm just going to rip this a little bit. I'm sorry, tissue paper. Your life has been valued a lot by me. Okay, I'm going to have to take this tape off as well. Okay. Nope, I got to take this other piece off. Okay, come on. There we go. So, yeah. I just got a Skype message. That's shocking. Like, really, Skype? You have to ruin my moment here. Ah! Anyways, I think I know what this is. Wow. I'm like, I feel like this is Christmas all over again. Oh my god! I'm like so overjoyed, man, because me and her have been talking a lot through my YouTube comments, and then we talk a heck of a lot on Instagram DMs, and we kind of just find this common ground to kind of fangirl over Copic markers. And this girl was so sweet enough to send me Copic markers. I'm over here dying because I legit fangirl to her a lot, saying, "Oh, I need to grow my Copic collection." And oh, these are like such spring colors. I got pastel tones and other darker tones. Like, oh my gosh, I cannot. And I haven't felt a Copic Chow in so long. Like, literally, I haven't felt it in so long. So this color is B00. And this is legit. It's pale porcelain blue, which is actually Rayo's hair color. So I'm like, yes. I think this was sent secretly to tell me, hey, you need to draw Rayo more, because this is legit his hair color. The next one is RV69, which is Peony, which is like a really cute, like mauve-y purplish red. The next one is E00, Pale for Pink. Ah! This is the one I'm missing. Oh my god, I legit just did a marker artwork with my dead one of these. She is a freaking lifesaver. Oh my gosh. And then I have YG17, which is grass green. And then I have a pink color, which is RV02. My phone is doing a very horrible job trying to focus in on these. And the color is Sugared Almond Pink. Why does that sound like a dessert, like a treat? Sugared almond. I'm just like, why does that sound like a treat? I got 100, which is black, because you know I love black. I love coloring with blacks. Black is like my favorite color. That doesn't make any sense. And then I have RV39, which is garnet. If my phone will focus on it. So thank you so much, is my love, Artsy Monarch, for all of the cute gifts. I'm over here like flipping out, and I have to record this very quick because me and my bro hams are going out to get our actual Christmas gifts in a couple of minutes. Well, after I finish recording this, I gotta get dressed anyway. But this was such a nice surprise before I leave, and I'm just like, oh, it's so cute. I cannot wait to color with these and see all the limitless possibilities I can get with these colors. So again, thank you so much, Artsy Monarch, for all your love and which you have shared to me. Guys, if you have not known about her, please check out her links, because her art is honestly super cute and I love her so much. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment whatever you like to say to me in the comment box below, and like always, I will see you in the next video.